Hello, this is my second video. And this will be in high resolution, I think. All right, start. Let's go up to monthly chart. This is the Euro GBP. I just downloaded the weekly preview of a Euro, and I added the original indicators that Chris was using. Okay, first of all, let's see here. Monthly. There is a kind of divergence, not quite, no. Okay, this is monthly. We're bouncing off the previous support. And like I said, monthly, it's very, very dangerous to just try to follow a monthly trend because as you can see, there's no really trend. It's a support resistance. So whenever you think it's a trend, it's actually resistance. Whenever you think it's a trend, it's actually support. So whomever think that you have to follow a monthly trend, it's smoking something else. Okay. All right. Let me find the important levels. Really, these are easy to spot, but all right, let's move down to only thing I really do on a monthly is hold on, sorry. I zoom and look at the candlestick pattern, candlestick pattern and support resistance. All right, let's go look at weekly. Okay, weekly here. Doesn't it look like a double bottom? Right here, double bottom. So let's keep that in mind. And also, we just might have passed the resistance area. Next one will be a minor resistance. Remember I told you if it's a resistance, that hasn't been broken, it's a major resistance. The ones we broke down past support becoming resistant is called minor resistance. So we have minor resistance here. This may be the pretty big one. So it's been holding the price pretty good there. So if it goes, it may go all the way up to this one. If it passes through that, maybe this area could be the yearly missed target and also major resistance right there. So these two are pretty good area. You can assume these will go, especially after double bottom. It has distance to go, probably maybe even up to really the major resistance. Okay, now let's go down to I'm gonna draw one horizontal line at this level. As you can see, it was holding the price really good and really good here too. And over here too, it took few days of consolidation. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4 bars of consolidation. This is weekly chart, so that's the whole month of a consolidation right there before it dropped. Anyway, let's go back to daily. Okay, if there was a monthly target, I don't think monthly target was hit, right? No, if not, that's pretty good bet. It's almost there anyway. Pretty good bet. Now if you want to get in, you gotta wait till maybe it bounce off this trend line with a better candlestick pattern. Then maybe that's a good entry long to get to aim for this here. Um, so that's I'm expecting maybe it may be breaking out right now, but may retest around this area. Okay, hold on a second. All right, I was just fixing the tool supposed to highlight and it didn't. Okay, so that's daily here. So the risk is, let me, the box risk is this much, and the profit target is right here. Okay, that's a good risk reward. I just wouldn't jump off here because it already traveled quite a bit. So I'm hoping this will maybe come down here, even though it's not much difference in pips. It's just that it's a lot healthier that way. Like as you can see, things go, consolidate, go, consolidate, go, consolidate, go, consolidate. So go, it's time to consolidate, right? So you want to get in at the time. Because if you hold here and it decides to consolidate so many days, a lot of things could happen between then, news and all that stuff. So, you want to make it as perfect timing as possible. Okay, now move down to 4 hours. Our entry. All right, we took this target trading course knowing that like 70 or 80% of the time the targets will hit, right? So just remember you have unhit targets down here. It may decide to hit it anytime soon. And this looks like double top. Looks like not really that. See, how come it doesn't continue? Like I said, I don't know about this charting too well. Okay, that looks like it's a little more down. It'll look like a double top, so it may change direction and try to hit these targets, unhit targets. All right. Otherwise, it bounces off. We'll look for. Hold on. Okay. I don't know where that target go, but I think it may be this one or this one, the monthly target that was not hit. Okay. Anyway, so it can go down, decide to go down this way, or it may go up and try to hit that higher time frame target. And also this one is unhit. So this one I will stay away until I see. I would definitely look for bounce around here and trade sheer like risk reward ratio with the candlestick pattern, the current trend, and everything. You know, let's say this is huge risk reward, right? So like it can be wrong 9 times and you get it right once. Probably, you know, probably good. Let me see here. This box. I would really enter about this and this. Risk. Mm, I'll put the risk on this color. Yeah, risk, reward. Okay, this is risk reward, and you want to get into trade. Let me get rid of this. Yeah, you want to get into trade in this box with a good candlestick formation. Then you may have a chance. I mean, even if it's a risky trade, pure risk reward is so good. You want to take the trade here. Odds are not on your side, but if you continue to take these kind of trades, you'll make a lot of money. All right, so that's my analysis of a Euro GBP. Okay. Let me move out to a monthly chart. This is Euro AUD. Okay, can't even see it because of marking. Let's see the candlestick pattern here. Not much candlestick pattern there, right? It's just coming down. And is that candle already formed? Yeah, I think so. It's a blank candle, so it must be good. Oh. Okay. All right. Candle formation. No. Be the judge. Not, nothing special about candlestick pattern right there. Okay. Like I always say, there's no trend on monthly chart. Okay. So next thing we do, grab horizontal line, see where to put it, like here, or like around here. Okay. And here we mark off the, I don't know, he did the minor resistance or support, but anyway, it's the area right there. All right, so weekly candle, weekly chart. Okay, we are there. Resistance is here. And this may play out too, even though it looks like the price has passed, who knows, it'll come back down and bounce off. So I'm gonna mark off here, or no, it didn't hit. It hit, it came back down. So okay, there is a support here, and another support is at here. There you go. All right. And now we'll go down to any trend line. Okay. Okay. Okay, this trend line, even though it's broken off here and here, but I think it's still working. Not only that's working, all right. Not really a channel here, but all right. It's not really 100%, you know, strong channel, but you know, most of the time the prices were kept in here, so I'm gonna mark and see as a just reference point. And it may not be that bad to maybe start correcting these two lines for trend line. He marked up this one, but obviously this can be trend line too. Okay. And this one could be trend line. I think he marked up this one. So anyway, 1 week is done. For the daily chart. Done well. Well. So the channel I drew was completely unnecessary. Okay, that's what he's expecting, bounce off. So I'm thinking maybe this is channel. Finding channel can be very, very lucrative business. Because you can make like 3-4 times. Okay. I would definitely look for, when it comes down, bounce off here, I would look for, you know, a candlestick pattern to go back up. And I wouldn't short here, but I'll wait till it comes down and go long again. You know, I believe it'll do at least a couple more times. And I may short it up here because I see this past trend line and also the Fibonacci ratio lines here, 786 or 0.86. Okay, so I may go everything. If there's so much things and other Fibonacci extension or whatever, so many things that's happening there with the right candlestick pattern, of course I would go for it. And besides, there is a point. This one here, this Fibonacci ratio here, is a previous resistance. Okay, so definitely look for, bounce. I will look for long here. I will look for a short around here. Okay. In terms it's going that's about the only setup. And um, do we have any missed mark, missed target? I don't see it. But anyway, that could be the only entry here, here, and maybe here. Okay, let's see. So I'm gonna put the way it falls probably around here. Oh, this is daily. You know what? I'm gonna go down to 4 hour to find more precise entry. Look for precise entry. Okay, there you go. This channel. Oh, this channel looks good. Now, yeah, this. I'm just gonna play channel here because there's no pivot points have been broken. Haven't been breached. Let's see here. That's about right timing. I can tolerate a little higher, but not tolerate the risk amount. Okay, right there. Okay. Profit target. And risk. So you risk this much to gain that much. And I would do the same thing. I will probably short here to see it come back down, okay? And there is a touch the extreme. I think it's like maybe a little shy of a touching extreme. It touched extreme on the top. Okay. Indicator went down. While the price went up. So there's a divergence. Change color here. Okay, so there's a divergence right there. So it will likely travel down to where I'm hoping it will bounce from. So we'll watch it carefully, okay? If anything, you can, if you don't have a time to watch these things, maybe you can put a price there, the limit order there. But I would, play safer and we'll see it. I'm gonna watch it every day. All right, we're done with that. Okay. All right, let's move out to monthly chart. Okay, as you can see, monthly chart, there is no trend there. So I saw someone posted on our community on MPI site. Something about, look for monthly pattern. I think he's smoking something, Well, I shouldn't say that, but anyway. Okay. Monthly chart will mark off the horizontal lines, the nearby ones that may affect within a week or month. Let's squeeze. Okay, we are at this previous peak here. That's about it. And the trend lines we should draw from weekly chart. All right, weekly chart coming up. Okay. Yeah. There you go. I don't know why it's so slow today. Okay. This is weekly chart. And nothing else there. Daily chart. Okay. Okay, resistance being tested. And what is this? Okay. Testing the resistance, coming back down. Will this bounce off here and go further up, or break down from here? Monthly unhit target. So, okay. So yearly unhit target. What do you mean yearly? It's already hit here. It's been hitting hard. Monthly target, the one that we just began, new month. So, yeah, high probability this may fall down to here. Okay. So this trade here, I'm gonna get rid of this. It's just okay. This one looks like a bit of consolidation here. If drops out of this wick here, then probably it'll try to hit monthly target. Okay, I don't know which yearly target he's talking about here. This has already been touched several times, or we have this one. It's already touched by this. The only thing that's really, I don't think. Hold on, let me move this line. Yeah, it started from here. See that? So this is the target. We should be aiming. Okay. All right. So to me, this candle is like a post. So I'm thinking maybe Yeah, still gotta show a little bit of candlestick pattern to short, but this the one. No. Excuse me. Okay, so this is the risk. This is the reward. Okay, monthly hit. I think it may be about 2 to 1 risk reward. Um, so, but it is high probability. Remember, 70% of the time this will be hit with a proper candlestick pattern, and this resistance drawn from, I believe, like monthly or weekly. So it's a pretty strong. It's pretty strong. And another thing is that if if it's a spot that hasn't been hit for a long time, it's called the first touch. It seems, you know, in most of the financial instrument, it tends to hold very well. I mean, it'll hold as a resistance. The price should retrace back before it'll reattempt again. This is this is the original touch, and then first retouch of that line is called the first touch. First touch have a strong chance to come back down. Okay, but then the third attempt, original attempt, first touch, and then second one likely to penetrate. But anyway, that's what a lot of people refer to when it says first touch. This is sets it. It touches that whatever it sets. So that's first touch. Okay. That's how I will play these. Okay. Yeah, this is chop zone right here. This is the highly likely that end of a chop zone here, that the price, if we penetrate down through this price, it'll probably go all the way down to here. But then again, there's a couple of weeks here. It may, even if we penetrate here, it may turn around this area, or it has to consolidate again to penetrate through this. Okay, and this one looks a lot strong too, because see this area, the areas it's been touching. Okay, let me draw that for you. All right, one touch here, two touch here. Well, how come I can't use my tool continuous? Oh, that's crazy. Huh. Okay, right here. Right here. Annoying. Right here. Right here. Oh, there's one more down there. I mean, you get the point, right? There's a lot of points here that touches that area, and either couldn't penetrate for a while, it penetrated, retest, and didn't break down. Anyway, that's the way I see it. It penetrates through here, it will get stuck around here, and consolidate again, and then penetrate through. Then we will finally hit the target. Otherwise, it'll penetrate through here, consolidate here, goes right back up and pushes through this you know, resistance area. Okay, that'll be the my analysis for this candle. I mean that currency pair. I don't know why I keep on calling it a candle. I must be tired. Okay. Besides, it's close to midnight here in California, so that's why another reason I may be tired. All right. There you go. There you go. So that's about it. You don't want to draw a trend line on a monthly chart. Let's go down to weekly. All right. Weekly chart is a trend line. You can draw. Okay. All right. Let's see. Support resistance about the same. All right. Nothing much going on weekly on this candlestick pattern. This very strong candlestick pattern. If this is trend line and there was some, proven that something that bounced off on this trend line, then I would count this as a very good entry point. But nothing has bounced off of it. That's the first time it's bouncing off, so we don't know if this is a valid trend line. We'll see another time that it bounces off. All right, so that's about weekly. All right, daily here. Again, look for some horizontal support resistance. Okay. All right, any unhit? This one was not hit. Oh, it hit now. Yeah. Past few days it hit it there. Okay. Any extreme? No extreme, no extreme. So if there is an extreme, you better not even look at divergence. All right, that's good. Let's see. Let's go down to 4 hour. Candlestick pattern is not that great pattern here. All right. Here's what. All right. If it's channel, it's bouncing off a lower channel. It has a great candlestick pattern. So it's good to get in now. Let me see here. Hmm. Okay, I'll aim at top of this candle. Okay. Hmm. The starting. Okay. So risk target about 2 to 1, a little over 2 to 1. I like that. I like that. So this is the entry. The price sitting right at the entry point. So uh, anyway, that's that's the way I view these four currency pairs. The one I did yesterday, I told you I'll go in here and try to hit the target around here. See, it moved pretty good. It went pretty far. Um, so that's good. And this is another pair. I said I'll go in here if I miss here, here. Okay, put in a decent trade, entry point here, and then target around here. That one was posted yesterday, I believe. Anyway, uh, yeah, I'm done for the night, and I'll post this thing in 10 minutes. All right, see you later.